Welcome back to Titan Vans. Behind me is the brand new Volkswagen ID.Buzz full electric van. Here at Titan, we're doing quite a few upgrades to these to make them the best all-around family camper vans on the market. We'll be releasing a brand new model, which will be coming soon, but we wanted to highlight in this video the pop top that we are installing on these vans. This is going to give you the ability to sleep additional people very comfortably and make it incredibly roomy on the inside. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, so we're up here in front and just want to go over some of the key features. There is heated and cooled and massaging seats for both the driver and passenger side. Lots of adjustments with the steering wheel, heated steering wheel, all of your buttons to be able to control the head unit and the vehicle side. We have the main touchscreen display here, which is going to allow you to adjust all of the vehicle features, has integrated Apple CarPlay, navigation, and the ability to adjust all of your heating, cooling, and the seat functions. Down here in the middle is kind of a cool feature. They call this the Buzz Box. This is a adjustable center console that can be moved into multiple locations in the vehicle. It's just on a quick disconnect, so you push down on this button here, you can lift it up. It's got a little slide out drawer in the back for storage, a little tilt down in the front, and then there are 3 different locations that this goes, and you can click in to kind of create different layouts if you prefer to have this open or the middle area open. This particular model that we built this first, or put this first pop top on, is the Pro S Plus. So this had the skylight originally. It is going to be the 6-seater version. So we have 2 captain's chairs directly behind me, and then there's 2 more seats in the back. It does come in a 7-person as well if you prefer that. But we really like the 6-person just because it gives you a little bit more flexibility when moving around in the vehicle. So we'll check out more as we move into the back. But up front, very, very comfortable. One of the more comfortable vehicles I've ever driven, and range-wise, it's about 260 miles is the max range. So pretty good for most people doing weekend trips, and lots of rapid chargers available, so it will charge up pretty quickly. And it's a very fast car. This is the all-wheel drive version, does 0 to 60 in about 5.5 seconds. So it's very quick, it's very fun to drive. It's quite a heavy vehicle, so it feels very stable going down the road, and nice and quiet being all electric. It's very nice for families traveling, makes a very comfortable road trip vehicle, and it's just really pleasant to drive. So that's kind of the key stuff up front. Let's jump in the back and we will go over some of the features in the back, and then we'll jump into the meat of the video, which is going to be all the features that are included in this very cool pop top that we're doing here at Titan Vans. All right, so here we are in the back of the Buzz. And as you can see, really, really spacious, very comfortable, even for adults. Just for some context, I'm 6'2", 200 pounds, lots of leg room, and gonna make it very accommodating whether you're traveling with kids or with adults. If you do have kids, this does have all the integrated child seat restraints. So it's got the clips right here, as well as the anchor point over the back. These are also gonna have the 3-point harnesses in the rear. Now, lots of different functionality with these seats and different modes you can set it up in. We can slide it forward and back, so if you don't need as much leg room for kids in car seats, you can kind of create a little bit more storage or leg room for passengers in the rear. It also will dump down, so you can create a flat platform. So you can kind of create another bed area here in the rear, depending on how many people you're trying to sleep inside. And then another cool feature is if you just need quick access, it also has the ability to just do a full tilt forward here and slide so that people can jump in the back without having to go down the middle aisle. So lots of options with this seat. And I think it's one of the cool things that makes the Buzz such an attractive, kind of right out of the box from Volkswagen, configurable for a lot of different people's needs, and especially when you pair it with the pop top. So let's jump into the meat of this video. We're gonna show you just how much space you gain and how cool the features are on this pop top. So I'm gonna jump out, I'm gonna show you how to open the pop top up, and then we'll show you inside and sort of all the space and different features that you gain with this very unique pop top. All right, outside the van, first things we gotta do is we have to release the latches. They're both lockable, so make sure they stay secure even when going down the road. So just give it a little twist, and then that one will pop open. Same on the other side. Unrelease it from the clip there. And then we give it a little push up. So that's the main top right there. And then what is super cool and very unique about this is we are actually gonna have the whole bed system slide out. So we got locking slides here. So we're gonna undo this side first. Unclip there, that one was already unclipped, perfect. And we're gonna go ahead and pull this guy out. It's a little bit easier to do from the inside, but I want you guys to see this from the outside. But if you have somebody pushing from the inside, it definitely is much easier to get this guy out. And then this will click into place when it locks in the out position. Again, easier when you're pushing instead of pulling, and then this is fully weight supporting like that, 500-pound drawer slides. But obviously if you're sleeping in this area, so you'll see the bed up there, it would kind of move the whole vehicle around. So then these support legs are really just to help for when you're in camp mode, so that it makes for a very, very stable platform. It's not gonna move the vehicle around. Okay. Adjustable legs down below, so you can adjust to the different height of the terrain. So that's pretty slick. And then there's gonna be a pull up here that flips out that makes the whole thing even a little bit bigger on the inside. And then these tensioning straps here to pull the little vestibule there. Kind of tension that. And that's as easy as it is to set up. There's a couple more things on the inside. So the ladder you'll see as we go inside. But from the outside, you're there. You've also got a pretty slick awning. So this is probably about 6'4" clearance height underneath. So I got shoes on, and then with my hat, you know, a little bit of extra room there. So it is pretty tall for most people to be able to just use it like an awning, be able to walk comfortably underneath and use this as a hangout space, and you know, for rain or sun or whatever you want. But kind of really does create that awning without even having to purchase an additional awning for the vehicle. So that's pretty much it on the outside. Let's jump on the inside, show you guys some of the key features and how big the bed is and how big this van feels now that we have the pop top open. Let's jump on the inside, show you guys some of the key features and how big the bed is and how big this van feels now that we have the pop top open. All right, here we are inside the vehicle, and you see just how massive this feels with the pop top open. Over 8 feet inside, can't even touch it at full extension. And for how much different this is compared to the Sprinters and Transits we work on, it still feels so big inside. And so we'll start over here on the bed area. This is gonna be close to a queen size bed. So 2 adults, very comfortable up here. You can see all these railing, which I'll show you, and the ladder. This is all stored up and top, so you're able to slide the bed in and pull the pop top down with all of this right up there. But then this will drop right down in to the receivers here. Kind of just helps to keep any little kiddos from rolling out, or if you're a tosser and turn in your sleep, gonna keep you from waking up in a hurry there. And then we have the ladder, which we can extend here, and it clips right into these and allows for easy access up into the bed area. So up top, again, you can just see how big this is. It really is astounding, and lots of room, and having the bed set up even with that full walkable area there. You can see how big the bed is. Lots of room above my head, still plenty of room down by my feet. And yeah, very, very comfortable. And the mattress is about 3 inches, and included in our pop top is this breathing mesh. This is gonna eliminate any sort of mold or mildew growth underneath by allowing airflow underneath the mattress. So as your body heat hits that cold air that's gonna be underneath this slide out here, it's gonna keep that nice and dry and keep that air moving underneath the mattress. But again, even at my size, being able to sit up in here, kids love it. It's kind of a little jungle gym up here, super fun for them to hang out. And one of the biggest things I want to highlight here is the ability to have a bed out and still maintain the full walkway down below. So in other pop tops that you're gonna see on sort of the old Volkswagen, so Westies, and some of the newer ones that are coming out for the ID.Buzz, they're more of a Euro pop, and that's kind of what I call them. So it's gonna be that triangular pop, and you can either have the bed tied to the top so that as it comes up, it's stowed away, so you can walk around underneath it, but as you go to one side, it's gonna sort of taper off, so you're gonna have to duck as you go to that other side. Or you can have it in bed mode, which is essentially gonna make this all very low. There might be a little area for you to climb up into the bed area, but it's gonna make it much more confined and eliminate all of that headroom that you gain from the pop top when it's in bed mode. With this design, you get a queen size bed, so a much bigger bed than what you're gonna get in sort of those Westie styles, and the ability to fully walk around in here. So having, you know, 2 adults and the kids are up top, so if you're prepping food down here or just hanging out, it gives you so much more room and so much more flexibility with this design. So that's one of the biggest features here. And again, since it doesn't taper, you have full height width from side to side, and it just feels so big. There's also some really cool lighting that's integrated into this pop top. So we have reading lights here, flexible heads with integrated USB ports, and just some easy on-off switch. There's one here on the passenger as well as on the driver's side. And then we have continuous strip lighting here on the back edge. And we have 2 different buttons that you can actually turn this off and on. So we can turn the lighting off and on there, and then we can press and hold this to actually dim. And we install these with 2 switches on either side. So you have one on this side and then right here on mirrored across. So you can turn those lights off and on from either side. You'll also notice the screen. So there's 3 openings. We have the main one above the bed area. Obviously it has the rain and blackout curtain that can be zipped up, but once it's rolled down like that, you have the bug screen that's integrated there. Same on the front of the vehicle up here. And then we also have one more at the rear. So lots of airflow, feels very big, lots of light coming in, even though we're inside shooting this. But really, really does completely change the feel of this vehicle. Again, compared to some of the, this is a much smaller vehicle than obviously we do with our Sprinters and Transits, our builds there. But really with this pop top, it feels, very different, but feels very, very big in here. And I was incredibly impressed when I first got into these and we started installing these on just how big it does feel, even for this relatively small vehicle compared to the other ones. So lots of cool stuff here. We'll go ahead and break this down. We'll show you guys how this gets put away. And then last thing I want to show is just the trunk area and show some of the features in the back and just how much stuff you can fit in these ID.Buzz. One thing I forgot to mention on the slider doors, but something I really like feature-wise, is the handless open. So this is going to be for the slider on the passenger driver as well as the rear door. So you just kind of give it a little wave underneath with your foot. For anyone who's a parent or bringing in the groceries or whatever, such a game changer when you have your hands full to not have to hit those buttons and be able to get kids in and out if they're sleeping or just be loading things in and out of the vehicle. So I love that feature. I think it's super slick that they have it on all 3 doors there. So the lower flip lid here has a hinge. Obviously can't do it fully up with all the gear on there, but allows for a little bit easier access if this is unloaded. I'm gonna go and pull this stuff down as well so you can just see some of the additional cargo. We don't have this loaded up by any means. So with all the gear out, you can see here we got a nice big platform. So depending on the age of your kids, if you wanted to use this as another sleeping area, carry a pad, and be able to lay that out here, you got some pretty good space available. Now you can actually see that little flip lid there. But different configurations, and then we can also flip these up from the back. So you can kind of see what that gear area is if you're gonna have additional passengers. And these can slide forward quite a bit as well and make this cargo area even bigger in the back. So reiterating just how many different ways there are to sort of configure this van depending on what you're using it for or how many people you have. It really is a very cool vehicle right out of the box from Volkswagen, as I mentioned, to give you some pretty cool camping setups and different configurations for traveling, hitting the road, using the pop top and all of that. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some great ideas and saw all the cool features that are included on the Titan Vans pop top, available only here in the United States from Titan Vans. This pop top really does turn the Volkswagen into the ultimate family camper van. So we hope you love it. And if you're interested, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And you can check out our page for the Volkswagen Buzz and stay up to date on all the products that we're going to be putting out for this vehicle at titanvans.com.